Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have some pizzas. Before I get into each specific one, here's how you make the dough and sauce that are going to be used for all three. The dough is as follows: 5 cups of flour, 1 packet of instant yeast, a teaspoon and a half of salt, 2 1/4 cups cold beer, and a tablespoon of olive oil. I then put the dough hook on the mixer and put it on the slowest speed and knead the dough for 8 to 10 minutes. Then I basically allow it to proof in the oven for about an hour and a half, 2 hours, punch it down, cut it into the sizes that I wish, and then I put it in the fridge for 3 days. On the 3rd day, I use it. The sauce for all of these is as follows: 1 28-ounce can of tomato sauce, a tablespoon of olive oil, a teaspoon of salt, 3 cloves of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar, and a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Then I put everything in a small crock pot, put it on low, and let the flavors meld together. After I've stirred everything around, I let them meld together for at least 2 hours. So that's how to make the dough and the sauce for all these pizzas. Alrighty. So in honor of Donald Trump becoming number 47, we have Donald Trump's favorite pizza. And believe it or not, I did a lot of research on this, and his pizza choice is about as simple and as common as it gets: a pepperoni pizza. So let's layer some sauce on this, and then we're going to add some mozzarella cheese, and then we're just going to add some pepperonis, and then we're going to pop this into a 550 degree oven for 8-10 minutes. Just keep an eye on it after 8. You want the cheese bubbly and the edges golden brown. After 9 minutes, it's done. So that's the Donald Trump pepperoni pizza. Done.